Easy there. Hello.
Hi, I had no idea they were here already. Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
You're all good. Nice moves.
Thank you. Let's head in. Welcome to the ARC studio.
Thank you.
From boarding school buddies to breaking India's indie music barrier, we have a duo who refuses to pick between Western beats and Indian soul, creating viral anthems like Barse More Naina and their recent hit Dil Behra, proving to you that you don't need to compromise your roots to conquer the world. Presenting to you Rishabh Raghuvanshi and Sanchit Khosla, aka Khosla Raghu. Before we start, any questions? Because I have done a deep research on you guys, okay? And I know absolutely everything. But I want to ask you that for the audience who's probably maybe seeing you for the first time or your returning fans, how did Khosla Raghu come to life?
This decision to it came out quite late in our career, but Sanchit and I, we come from the same boarding school. So no, we were both ended up in Delhi University, and then since school, I think we were both inclined towards music. But then when we were in college, we realized that we kind of share a similar taste in music.
Your musical style is also very different from each other. Rishabh comes from like a classical music background. You are more inclined towards an electronic music style. So is it like a conscious effort to make sure that both parts are like, equally put into the music or the sound that you put out, or does it like happen naturally?
So I think fortunately it happens quite naturally. It comes quite naturally to us, and keeping an open perspective to things. We are open to experimentation, open to new sounds. Both of us are not very bound by our own ideas. We are ready to listen to the other person. I think that's how it it mixes well.
And also to keep sharing music with each other from time to time. Guys, the key to a successful relationship is a lot of fights.
Yeah,
a lot of fights.
But I really love it. So every song till now is a part of you and a part of you mixed together. Every one of them.
Exactly. Yes. And then not even a single word, एक भी शब्द या एक भी लाइन ऐसी नहीं होगी जो suppose संचित को नहीं पसंद है, और एक भी part ऐसे नहीं होगा जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है. Everything has to be approved by the both of us. Only then it can be in this.
What's the most amount of takes?
पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता. संचित को भी नहीं पता.
I think I could say the most amount of time we have given to a recording is might be 6 to 8 hours. Yeah, just one song.
Oh.
A lot. Yeah.
Damn.
And then also I think still we ended up recording again.
Why we talk about your poles apart musical styles? One thing in common with both of y'all is your love for Coldplay.
Yes.
And that also leads to both of them only following one person on Instagram, which is not either of them. It's actually Coldplay's account, and I know that it's your dream collab. Coldplay has had a lot of success. What about them is something that you all love and admire?
If you look at most successful bands in the world, most of them have drifted apart. They've broken down. New members have come in. Coldplay happens to be one band which has been totally intact from the very beginning, and they've still managed to stay relevant at 50 years now.
So we hope that we also stay relevant for so long maybe.
Sanjay, this one's. I hope we stay relevant.
Yeah. So 15 years down the line, when we do this interview again with you, you'll be like, okay, good job.
Good job.
15 years down the line, they would have a collab with Coldplay.
Let's
and then
go.
we'll be discussing that, and I'll be reporting it. That's what we are manifesting here today.
Yes.
Okay, deep diving into your music, right? How you write it. I know your music sounds very personal to both of you. How do you plan on navigating through what you want to do versus what the world asks of you, because that's like the pressure of success that comes along?
I think songwriting is just a way of self-expression, That's how we see it. Because we have not never thought about, what people might think about this. We have only kept ourselves first,
I think they love Khosla Raghu for being Khosla Raghu. So I think as long as you do that, which I know that you want to, so I think it's just going to go up and up from here.
It's not the easiest thing, but we'll definitely try.
So what you did there.
Okay. Another question about music is, you've mentioned before that Duriya as a song, when you created it, you were like you're always questioning your work.
Yes.
We're always doubting ourselves. I think, I don't know, I ever met someone who's like, yeah, mera kaam to bahut badhiya hai.
And if you meet them, you don't want to meet them again.
Yeah, exactly.
So my thing is a guideline or something that you would say to yourself if you were starting again with all the knowledge that you have today.
I think make more content.
Well,
Basically, what he wants to say is that promote yourself more than you
more
can.
than you can. Yeah, yeah.
That's
Because
very
you are your
important.
own. I think. मतलब
Because इतना म्यूजिक आ रहा है और
Yeah.
आप अगर सिर्फ ड्रॉप करके छोड़ दोगे तो कहीं जाने नहीं वाला.
when we started like in 2020, Rishabh was not even on Instagram. Yeah. So I was like, I told him like, account तो बना मतलब डाल मत, just make an account,
Yeah.
put a picture that it's you. So yeah, I mean from there on, and then Rishabh was very skeptical about content, as like promoting music on content first. He was like कि
गाने बनाते रहे.
गाने बनाते रहते हैं, ये क्या काम है, this is not my job, I did not sign up for this.
मैं ऐसे कभी हाथ खड़े नहीं किए. But yeah, धीरे धीरे वो होता है.
Is there anything you'd warn them about, like your younger selves about?
Warn them about. Yeah.
Just
This one guy that I can't name.
Don't name, but what happened?
no, actually we can't.
No, we can go there. Just to,
We
like like we were given false hopes,
Okay.
and I think people do that a lot in this industry.
Oh,
They
yeah,
give you
actually
false
one-
hopes, like कि oh, I'm gonna make you a big star overnight, and just 3 months, give me
Don't-
3 months, 6 months. Guys, it's a slow process.
Don't
I
depend on
mean,
anyone else. I think that's the.
Yeah, the original organic process is a slow process. You have to trust the process.
Yeah, हमने
like,
थोड़ा सा तो वक्त बर्बाद किया वेट करके.
there are no shortcuts.
So-
yeah.
दादी में मजा आया.
बर्बादी में
उस बर्बादी में मजा नहीं है.
Even when you know that you're not performing well, just stay confident. As confident.
Yes.
Don't be overconfident. Don't be like कि मैं ही हूँ. But मैं तो हूँ ही. मतलब मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Half
I
of the
think
time I'm playing wrong notes on the guitar and like no one knows, and like
I feel like I understand this. I think it's the false hopes. I think goes in every industry. Like कि कल viral हो
Definitely.
जाओगे, ये हो
हाँ,
जाओगे, वो हो जाओगे,
हाँ.
and you constantly and you see sometimes that happening overnight, but you forget
Forget.
the amount of efforts that been actually put by the person
Yes.
in it, especially in the music industry.
yes.
No, that and we are very grateful that we did not get any overnight like success.
Yeah.
This journey is very close to us. Those intimate
Yeah.
shows, like that wait, writing more and more songs, it's very close to us. So we would not wish कि एक रात में एकदम से गाना फट जाए. We
So if
don't.
tomorrow you have like two options, कि maybe you become a Coldplay in the next 7 years, or you become a Coldplay like overnight, like Coldplay level band.
The thing with overnight success is ना वो overnight जाती भी है.
If we become viral tomorrow, I think we still have that 6 years
6
of
years.
journey, so it's not overnight.
Exactly. I feel in a lot of
It's
people
not-
forget that about artists.
फिर आप उसी को करते रहते हो
करते रहे,
repeatedly.
like Sonu Nigam sir and
Yeah,
like
or
Shreya
Shreya Ghoshal or
Ghoshal.
A.R. Rahman, they have been doing it for like when they were like
Forever.
kids, right? But then they had potential and talent and hard work. So
हम
उसीलिए
में talent नहीं है,
You're not-
हम में hard work है बस.
But as a fan of what your final result is, I want to say I personally love it. So I think this counts on the fact that whatever has happened in the past 6 to 7 years of your journey together, I think it has made you the people that you are today, the musical duo that you are today, that everyone loves. And I want to come to your newest EP, Avara, and it has, let me remember, 5 songs and a bonus track, or
4
4
songs
songs and a bonus track. Okay, it has 4 songs and a bonus track, and all songs together tell a story about this one person who's going through a lot. He is stressed about commitment, he is obsessive, he is everything. I want to know the story behind. Number 1, is it a personal experience? And number 2, is it inspired by somebody? Also, a question that, what was the process like when you were creating this EP?
for this EP it was the latter. Like it was the second one where we actually had there's a track called Barbadi. So we made Barbadi together. And इसके पहले we had released an EP called Aao Bula De, which is very sad. And then although we had like some fun tracks, some peppy numbers, but people started kind of associating us to sad music.
Is
फिर
it
खो गया.
personal or inspired by them? Who is this?
It's always
Avara?
both.
We are both आवाराज है, मतलब यार.
अच्छा, is this putting out to everybody कि हम तो आवारा है?
Yeah, that's what people call us.
I think my last question for today, before we move to a very, very fun rapid question round, is we've seen the success of Barse More Naina, and I personally see extreme success for Dil Behra, especially considering it's a viral hit song, and nobody, you want to fight me over it, fight me over it. What is the common factor, maybe in the writing, maybe in the lyrics, maybe in the storytelling, that you see that has actually led to that success?
I think it was freshness. Like
Okay.
people don't know what they want. I think that's straight out putting, like people, like artists think कि अच्छा लोगों को ये पसंद आएगा, but no one knows, and even people don't know what they want. But
Until they actually listen to it.
yeah, so if you keep giving them, you know, something fresh, something experimental.
We are moving on to the next activity segment, which is going to be very, very fun. And everything you need to know is written on this. Well, boys, welcome to the Disruptor Challenge. And what do you think we are going to be doing for this activity today?
Honestly, I have no idea.
I have no idea.
No idea at all?
No idea at all.
Well, let me rewind to a part where during the shoot, you all said that it'll be so much fun if we get to do Tarani's makeup. We'll have so much fun doing it. Well, if you've noticed, there's no makeup on my face.
Oh.
So,
That's actually...
we're going to split my
Really?
face into half and half. And both of you are going to be against each other.
Dude.
And whoever wins, they win.
You have no idea what you stepped into. I mean,
You have to
are
be
you
good.
ready for this? We have no experience. We have no zero
Don't worry
experience.
me. This is supposed to be worrying you.
When we said we wanted to do makeup, we meant like Ninja Hattori wala makeup. So I mean, you know, the pink, aisa circle.
I'm panicking more than they are, clearly. So the
Okay.
scenario here is I am going for an ARCS event.
Let's go, bro.
And y'all have to dress me up for it.
Damn.
And y'all have 10 minutes.
एक बार बता दो किससे होता
Overall.
क्या है.
नहीं,
बताना है।
that's the challenge.
वो
That's
नहीं
so
बताएंगे.
fun.
ठीक है. You
Okay?
can't look in the mirror.
तारनी,
I can't look in the mirror till the end. And I will not guide you, neither will anyone else.
ठीक है.
Okay?
Let's go. अरे पहले उससे चालू करते हैं. ये सेटिंग्स पे होता है.
3, 2, half and half, okay?
How much time do we get?
10 minutes.
अरे ये
10
ना
minutes.
सेटिंग स्प्रे मेरे पास है तेरे
हाँ,
पास है.
या सेटिंग मेरे पास पता नहीं
Two.
बताएगा. रुक जाओ.
1, go.
बट इसको अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं? इससे क्यों करते
ठीक है, ये यही होगा कुछ.
हैं? नहीं. अरे ये अप्लाई करते हैं. इसके थ्रू करते हैं.
टिश्यू कहाँ है? टिश्यू. ये होता है.
रुको यार 1 मिनट.
क्या करना है?
सेटिंग्स पे. अरे वो क्लीन कर रहा हूँ स्किन को.
सेटिंग स्प्रे से
देखो अब क्या आता है? फाउंडेशन आता है next?
आर्टिस्ट तो यहाँ पे नहीं है.
फाउंडेशन आता है कैसे? ये तो लास्ट में आता है.
वो बैठ के देखो.
तुझे
मैं-
तो सब कैसे पता है?
एक काम करता हूँ, पहले लिपस्टिक लगा. इतना लिपस्टिक तो लगनी.
हाफ लिपस्टिक तू लगा.
ये तुम पे सूट करेगा शेड. ठीक है चलो भाई.
Guys,
अरे ये रहा फाउंडेशन.
10
फाउंडेशन आता है. फाउंडेशन आता है.
पहले
वो
मॉइस्चराइजर
foundation
आता है ना. मुझे नहीं पता. अरे
मॉइस्चराइजर
वो
तो
तो
लगा
मेरा
लिया
skin
होगा.
routine है. तो मेरा
इसको
skin-
लगाते कैसे? रुको, मैंने देखा था एक रील पे.
कपड़ों
एक
पे
रील
नहीं
पे
गिरा।
देखा था मैंने. रुको.
ओ भाई ये तो कुछ खतरनाक है.
वो ब्लेंड हो रहा है. ब्लेंड हो रहा है. Dude, अरे यार ज्यादा लग गया लगता है. शिट ब्रो, स्किन का कलर ही बदल गया. शिट. अरे you don't have the mirror ना. हाँ ठीक है, you don't have a mirror. ठीक है. ब्रो ये होता है क्या?
ऐसा चमकाऊंगा.
फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं ब्रश. रुक जा, ट्राई करता हूँ यार. ट्राई करने में क्या.
मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं यार, ब्रश तो नहीं जाता फाउंडेशन में. तुमने क्या लगाया यार? ये तो कमाल कर दिया तुमने.
और क्या करते हैं मतलब? हो गया.
ब्रो यार ज्यादा फाउंडेशन लगा लिया मैंने.
इतनी सारी चीजें.
देखो कलर तो मैच कर गया.
आप कलर चूज कर लो. इंकी पिंकी पोंकी कर लो.
आंखें बंद करो.
अरे ये आंखों पे लगता है. याद आ गया. ये क्या है?
याद कैसे आया?
अरे ये मैंने देखा है मेरी बहन है मम्मी के पास.
भाई मेकअप तो मैंने किया रघुवंशी. देख लो तुम फर्क.
टाइम चल रहा है क्या हमारा?
कितना टाइम बचा गाइस? थोड़ा क्या 2 मिनट हुए? तो लड़कियों को इतना टाइम क्यों लगता है मेकअप करने में? आई एम तो ऑलमोस्ट डन.
तुमने एक प्रोडक्ट यूज किया है पूरे इसमें से.
मैंने
अरे अभी 2 मिनट ही हुए हैं ना. अभी बचे हैं. ओह यार बट मेरे पास और कुछ बचा नहीं है करने को आफ्टर ब्लश. मतलब ब्लश आएगा
अरे
ना.
आंखों पे लगाते हैं ना कुछ कुछ चीजें.
कंसीलर, काजल है क्या इसमें? ये क्या है?
ये आंखों की चीजें हैं पक्का. टैटू लाइनर.
ये क्या है? ब्रो मैं सोच रहा हूँ सीधा ही ब्लश लगा दूँ.
ब्लश
ये है कुछ तो.
यार एक वो बस मुझे एक चीज मिल जाती है तो मैं.
ओ अब इससे पफी हो गए हैं थोड़े. यही होता है ना पफी. हाँ.
ओरे भाई मिला ना मुझे.
क्या?
ऐसे कुछ तो करते हैं. आप अपनी आंखें आप ऊपर देखो. अरे आप ऐसे हरा दोगे मुझे. ये मेरा मेकअप एक बार किसी ने किया था सेट के बरसिमो नैना के पहले.
ये तो लग ही नहीं रहा. लग रहा है थोड़ा. अब और क्या बचा?
यार मैं लिपस्टिक के लिए बहुत डर रहा हूँ, पता है। इट कैन आइदर बी अ गेम विनर,
सेम कलर लगाना पड़ेगा ना, अगर तुमने पिंक
इट कैन आइदर बी अ गेम विनर और
तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है, जल्दी करो।
कितना टाइम बचा है?
5 मिनट बचा है और अभी आप लोग का नेक्स्ट चैलेंज है, आप लोग दोनों को पोजीशन स्विच करना है और एंड के 5 मिनट्स एक दूसरे का मेकअप खत्म करना है। तो प्लीज पोजीशन स्विच कर दो
अभी?
अभी।
अभी नहीं यार, अभी।
अब क्या करना है
We'll have
मतलब?
to work together to make this look come to life. I have to go for an
I've
event.
done your half your job, तो I have
ब्रो
done.
कितना सही लग रहा है
Bro,
यहाँ पे,
look
कितना
at
ज्यादा
those. मैंने बस स्किन एकदम मस्त स्मूथ कर दिया है।
स्मूथ, क्या इतना नेचुरल लग रहा है।
नहीं भाई, तो मैंने स्मूथ किया है।
नहीं यार तूने, दिस इज टू मच।
यार अब मुझे यहाँ पे भी कंसीलर लगाऊं फिर मैं, अब तुमने नहीं लगाया तो।
ये एक मिनट रुक जाओ।
अब मेरे को पता है यहाँ पे तुमने लगाया क्या है? क्या लगाया?
मैंने
क्या है?
वो जो पहली चीज़ थी फाउंडेशन,
हाँ।
उसके बाद ये और
ये क्यों लगाया? ये तो ब्लश है ना।
अरे तो
जल्दी करो।
तो ब्लश ही तो
इल्यूमिनेटर लगा रहा हूँ भाई, मुझे नहीं पता।
यार ये अच्छा देख तूने क्या किया, ये देख ये क्या है, ये व्हाट इज दिस यार बना।
ब्रो वही तो मेकअप है, देखना। ठीक है भाई, मैं तो
देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ, बहुत ही कमाल का कुछ।
अब ये हुई ना बात, छोड़ो यार। अच्छा सुन, नहीं सॉरी, स्किन स्मूथ नहीं हुई है, उसको कैसे करूँ मैं, मतलब एकदम मक्खन। तो ये देखो भाई, फर्क है यार होंशी
यार,
में।
मैंने
अब ऊपर से
आप आंखें बंद करो तो।
मैंने कौन सा पाउडर यूज किया था?
एक मिनट आता है कुछ तो हो
यही है क्या? यही है। हाँ मिल गया।
जस्ट लाइक अ मोरिनी। अरे रुक जाओ
यार ये तूने वहाँ पे भी सेम कर दिया। अरे यार तो कवर अप करना था ना तुम्हें। अब देखो मैं मतलब सीखा है, मैं उससे कम
एक
लगाया
बार-
हूँ।
बस एक बार आप ऐसे ही देखते रहो, ठीक है? मतलब मत देखो, मतलब आंखें बंद रखो। कहने का मतलब ये था। भाई प्यार से करते हैं मेकअप, संचित क्या कर
अरे
रहा है?
टाइम नहीं है यार।
अच्छा। अरे आप आंखें तो खोलो, मतलब खोलो नहीं, नॉर्मल रखो। गुड बेटर।
बट यार ये बहुत मनना पड़ता है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है।
मैंने आईब्रो क्या किया?
आटा थोड़ी
सॉरी, एक
अरे
मिनट।
मतलब
लग रहा है मुझे।
सॉरी यार। ठीक है, अब ब्लश लगा
बस
सकते
एक
हैं।
मिनट, अभी संचित का भाई ये आईब्रोज तो मैंने गजब ही कर दिए हैं।
दिखाओ ब्रो। नहीं मतलब इस मेकअप के साथ नहीं जा रहे, सॉरी मतलब। ओ गेम चेंजर बट ज़्यादा लग गया बहुत। अभी अगर वो ब्रश मिलेगा।
ओ भाई ये मैं कितना नेचुरल काम करता हूँ यार, तू एकदम ही मतलब शिनशान बना देता
अरे
है।
तो मेरा मेकअप स्टाइल अलग है ब्रो। आप मेकअप आर्ट होती है ना, आर्टिस्ट हो तुम, मतलब अलग आर्ट है।
ओके गाइस, लास्ट 2 मिनट्स बचे हैं एंड क्लू इज टू यूज द रेड लिपस्टिक एज मच एज यू कैन।
अभी यार तुमने आईलैशेस के लिए ये यूज़ किया था?
कुछ नहीं भाई, वो आईब्रो को शेप करने के लिए था।
अरे बट कलर कैसे आया आईलैश?
वो तूने क्यों कितना वो डाल दिया है?
अरे ये वाला कलर, एक्वा कलर।
अच्छा वो ये रहा रेड लिपस्टिक।
अरे यार ये तो
लिप-
पक्का यही था क्या?
लिप टिंट।
ये उल्टा ब्रश था ना, पता नहीं। बंद करो आँख।
लिपस्टिक तो है ही नहीं इधर परी।
लिपस्टिक है उधर, ढूंढो लिपस्टिक। 1 मिनट बचा है आप लोग के पास।
अरे यार लिपस्टिक, वही लिप,
रघु इतना वो फिनिश कैसे दिया?
अरे लिपस्टिक किधर है?
अरे आँख बंद करो
भाई अपना क्लू कुछ और है, बना लिपस्टिक ढूंढ लो।
यार। हंसो मत यार ऐसे।
ये लिपस्टिक है? लिपस्टिक, बस लिपस्टिक बता दे कहाँ है यार, हम दोनों जीत सकते हैं।
ये मिल गई।
वो लिपस्टिक नहीं है
ये
यार,
तो वही लिप ग्लॉस है।
रेड लिपस्टिक। रेड ये नहीं
लिप
है,
ग्लॉस है ये।
ब्लश, ये तो ब्लश है
अरे एक
यार।
मिनट बचा यार, चलो यार। अरे बंद करो।
यार रेड लिपस्टिक यूज
बहुत
करनी है
ज़्यादा
मुझे।
है यार ये, बट ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ। मिल नहीं रही तुम्हें तो मैं हो गया। बंद करो आँख, मतलब मुंह।
वो लिपस्टिक
हंसो मत
नहीं है
यार।
वो लिप्स और गिरेगा। लिपस्टिक नहीं है यार।
अरे तो लिप ग्लॉस भी तो मुंह में ही जाता है।
रश। उप्स। रुक थोड़ा। ये पक्का लिप के लिए होता है ना? हाँ ये लिप के लिए है, ये लिप के लिए है।
बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है।
नहीं सही है।
अरे इसमें अब कुछ और ये ब्रश यूज़ कर सकते हैं लिप्स?
अब आप एक बार ऐसे करो।
वो कर दे रहा करो अच्छे से ताकि। टिश्यू दो यार, टिश्यू गाइस, एनीवन टिश्यू है क्या?
ओके, टाइम्स अप।
अच्छे से। टिश्यू है क्या? टिश्यू एक मिनट रुको।
दिखाओ तो एक बार।
हाँ नहीं यार, ये थोड़ा सा ना लिप के ऊपर आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा। अभी रुको करो अच्छे से,
हूँ क्या तुम्हारा टाइम?
और अच्छे से करो। ब्रो नॉट, आई थिंक यू डिड अ गुड जॉब गाइस, यू डिड अ गुड जॉब।
तारनी, टाइम्स अप।
Okay.
अबे नाक तो भूल ही गए.
I have to go to the ARCS event looking like this, so I would like to see myself in that mirror.
अच्छा, yeah.
Could present. See myself.
बता दो कौन सी साइड अच्छी है. बता दो. वैसे तो
Surprisingly, it is not as bad as I thought in my head. Of course, there are a lot. You all have put blush on my lips, by the way.
मैं कह रहा था वो
Lipstick is right here.
अरे भाई ये तो सिंदूर लग रहा है.
ब्लश और जो तुमने आई शैडो को मेरे फेस पे ब्लश जैसे यूज किया है.
आई शैडो थी वो.
ये क्या?
ब्रो इसने अच्छा ही डिड सच अ गुड जॉब. तो मेरे को नहीं समझ आया ये कैसे करना था. ये कैसे किया पूछा तुमसे. तुमने
अरे
बताया
वो
नहीं.
ये रहा ना.
तो मैंने पूछा तुमने कहा इससे
ये आईब्रोज के लिए था.
तो मैंने पूछा आईलैशेस के लिए क्या यूज किया.
Anyway, according to the final result that I am looking at, I don't want either to probably win, but if I have to pick, I have to go. I think it is the eyeshadow because it is so strong that
Which
I don't
one?
want
Which
to look
one?
at anything else.
दिस वन ये उसने किया है.
तो वही तो तभी तो जीता मैं.
अच्छा. मुझे लगा वो गंदी चीज है.
On that note,
गाइस मेरी दो बहनें आज इतनी प्राउड होंगी ना मुझ पे.
the winner gets to sign our wall of disrupt.
थैंक यू. I shall do the honors.
Please go for it, and then you have to stick it on our wall of disrupt. You tried.
Oh shit.
I think I did a good job.
Let's
पहला
go.
आर नहीं आया बट कोई बात नहीं.
You said so you have to sign the whole thing, brother.
हाँ?
You have to sign the full thing मतलब.
No, I think
अच्छा
it's
ठीक है ठीक है.
Go stick.
यहाँ पे लगाऊं.
Yes. But we would also honorary mention. Would like you also to sign
Oh, me also. Thank you.
the other half
The
of
pen.
खोसला रघु. अब तू उस तरफ नहीं साइन कर सकता था.
मेरी साइन काट रहा है ये.
अरे नहीं यार.
Well, anyway,
Easy.
with this makeup on my face, we should move to our next segment. So we'll see you there. Let's go.
Nice one.
Okay. Welcome to our studio and studio recording segment where I don't know anything.
Well,
So,
we are here to help you. So
yeah, you are going to teach me everything because I have no idea how any of this works.
No worries, we'll take you through.
Done. Let's go. Let's decode your song, which we are not revealing yet.
yes.
Okay.
They'll see it soon. But tell me, how does Khosla Raghu make their song?
There's no hard and fast rule. Every track has its own story, but we'll be telling about this one.
Can I?
So you're not supposed to fiddle with the mic, Tarini. Sorry,
It's an expensive mic.
it's an expensive mic. Rule number 1:
Okay.
never fiddle with the instrument.
Yes. This song started with a drum sample, which sounds like this. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple.
आ जाओ, पर बैठ जाओ. आप अकेले वहाँ क्या बैठोगे?
No worries, bhai.
So
Okay.
as I was saying, after the drums, the bass came second, and yeah. So I had this bass line. I was just jamming on the bass guitar, and I recently bought a new bass, so I wanted to use that in a song, and that's how I came up with the bass line that sounded like this. Some filler instruments that I like to call, and I had a keyboard, and honestly I don't play the keyboard really well, so I just know the C major scale अच्छे से, which is like just the white keys,
The white keys.
in the
Where you can't go
keyboard,
wrong.
where you can't go wrong. If you ever want to play the keyboard, you know, and just don't play the black keys and the white keys at the same
Like
time.
don't go pum 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 pum.
Just-
say the white ones.
Just play the white keys and
That's a hack.
you'll always sound melodic. I wanted to add some filler instruments.
Got it.
So I thought of, you know, filling it up with a synth, but then मुझे आता नहीं है बजाना. So I was literally वो C major scale पे, and you know, I got the song in the same scale, and then I was just pressing random keys. I came up with some chords, and I still don't know to date कि what are those chords, but it sounded like this. this is just 3 instruments: drums, bass,
Bass
and synth and keys, right?
which I think was the most basic set.
Basic, and like this synth section keeps playing on through the whole song.
It's a loop.
और ये तुमने मस्ती में बनाया है?
ये मैंने बस ऐसे
मस्ती में नहीं, अब इसको वापस बोलो तो ना बजा पाए.
नहीं, ये मुझे बोलोगे ये कैसे बजाया मुझे नहीं पता. उसने ऐसे करा था, ग्रूव में था.
Sounded nice.
ऐसे sounded nice, है ना?
And you just continued.
Yes. The main shining element came when I added electric guitars, and I was like, wow, this is
Which
cool.
is Sanchit's comforting, like his comfort zone.
Because I know I मतलब keyboard से better मुझे गिटार बजाना आता है. So when I added electric guitars to it, then that's like, okay, yes, this is something, you know, that's sounding cool and that is something me. मतलब
क्या होता है?
background में 1-2 चीजें चल रही हैं. Pads is basically ये you know
कुछ आप sound मतलब effects को लगाते हो, जैसे suppose synth के effects को उनको हम pads कहते हैं. But Sanchit can play that for you.
yes. So pad would be like this.
This is an add-on.
This is going on throughout
Basically
the
ना
whole song.
ambience add करता है पूरे गाने में.
So it gives you a feel like I'll show you with and without the ambience or these pads. This is sorry.
So you don't notice it.
But it's now I can
It's just filling
Yeah.
up the sound.
You don't
Yeah.
realize the importance
Sound.
until you undo it.
undo it. Yeah, because before it sounds empty.
Yeah.
After that, it's like this background noise. Oh damn! I
Ambience.
did. That's crazy how
So it
important
was
that
just
is.
filling up the sound space, you know, frequencies bhar raha tha. It sounds more full after that. There's a groove, man. There's a groove. We are getting there.
Yeah.
And that's how when like I came up with these melodies, which sounded like yeah, I'm gonna play that. This is pure scratch. Okay, this is my voice, not
Okay.
Rishabh's voice. This is exclusive content, guys.
So basically क्या होता है अगर संचित comes up with an idea, he will like कुछ तो fumble करेगा mic पे कुछ भी तम करके and then he'll send me the melody.
Okay.
और मेरे केस में ऐसा होता है कि मैं इसको वो होता है कि अगर मैंने इसको मेलोडी दिया तो मैं कुछ वर्ड्स फिर भी गा देता हूँ. ये कुछ भी बोल देता है. कि
Because
बाद
I'm like I've got the groove, I've got the vibe, right? And now I just need to add on to the vibe through the melody. So that is what like I did, and this is.
the gibberish is actually very helpful. It helps me to write. It helps me कि अच्छा इस जोन में जा रहा है गाना. वो it's very
Ki
important.
where you want like that go mein nazar is like when you're
That just came naturally jamming.
उसके
to
पीछे
it,
भी
you know?
कहानी है, लड़ाई
उसके
हुई
भी
थी.
एक पीछे लड़ाई है.
पहुंचते
We'll
हैं
come
वहाँ
to it. But then for me a song needs to have like a tension, like a you know attack and a release, right?
Yeah.
Like एक tension है और फिर एक resolve हो रहा है. I'll show you how I
Yes.
made this voice. So I was just literally I had a mic and then I was just trying to imitate some instrument. I think maybe a flute. I don't know. And I'm gonna play the whole thing without auto tune, so it's gonna sound really bad, and it might spoil the song for you. So just
Heads up.
Heads up. So that was me, my humming without all the effects.
So then he basically
Yeah,
he then
it is.
basically
But
produces
it's so
his own voice into an instrument basically.
But that is crazy cool.
It sounds like an instrument, like an original instrument, nothing something like you might not have heard. That is like auto-tune ने add किया, pitch पे तो किया ही notes, but also it added something cool to it. So and that after that I added a bit of distortion and all of that. So the chorus is घूमे नज़ारे नज़रों के आगे दिल मैं ठहरा रहा. Sorry. क्योंकि
joining the band.
I was telling, and then originally Rishabh wrote जलते नज़ारे जलते राधे दिल हुआ बर्फ सा. So that was the original line, but then क्योंकि and there's such a good line.
No, basically-
जलते नज़ारे जलते राधे दिल हुआ बर्फ सा.
So like contrasting.
सुनता नहीं है ऊंची पुकारे दिल कमजोर सा. ये था पूरा लाइन.
Conserve क्या होता है?
Exactly.
बदतमीज.
Exactly.
अरे और वही तो उसका feel था.
Exactly.
मतलब
But I was like कि bro, एक तो first of all जलते such a negative वो मतलब you know it's like एक इमेज विजुअल परसेप्शन आ जाता है. जलते इज लाइक नेगेटिव है ना, मतलब जलते नजारे फिर वो तो वो वाइब जो vibe जो capture हुई थी वो it was kind of switching away from the song.
सेकंड वर्स में था when the guy is like कि यार उसको एक्चुअली रियलिटी हिट करती है when he says कि हर दिन ख्यालों में उलझा सवालों में तेरे लिए जाना चाहे तो क्या मगर मैं तो हूँ बेखबर. और फिर थोड़ा लिरिक्स वैसे भी आई आस्क्ड हिम कि यार अगर मैं कमीना वर्ड डाल दूँ गाने में चलेगा. लाइक हाँ चलेगा
दौड़ेगा
बिकॉज़ आई वांटेड टू गिव दैट फीलिंग कि दोस्तों ने मना किया था मत करो. सो था यार उन्होंने कहा इश्क है बड़ा कमीना. तो आई लाइक हाँ चलेगा. सो देन लाइक लेट्स जस्ट कीप इट सिंपल. वो पार्ट नहीं डालते.
I would never think that was there in it.
But yeah, it's just
बैकग्राउंड में रहता है पीछे.
ये like चिड़िया का sound.
yeah. It just kind of fills,
Crazy.
you know, that
But you would
space.
never realize this.
Like subconsciously, these are all called ear candies, right? Which मतलब kind of excites the ear in a way. But you
और
never
ऐसा
listen
हर
them.
गाने में होता है. मोस्टली प्रोड्यूस गाने में आपको बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं सामने नहीं सुनाई देती. बट अगर वो ना हो तो आपको खाली लगेगा.
Now that you've made the song and now that it's ready, if you had to involve me in it today, you can do it in any way.
Yeah.
Whatever way you can think of it right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you could involve me who doesn't know anything,
Yeah.
how would you do it? And you
I
have to
think
involve
the
I think-
vocal lead part that I sang.
I was just going to say
we'll get
maybe
you.
you could yodel on that and
We
then
could get you to sing that. This part.
Can I do that now?
Yeah, we can do that. We have a mic. Let's do that.
I have the
So,
mic.
sorry,
And now I have my directors. I can't.
No. Just put off the headphones for now. For now, just you can take them off.
Yeah.
So, Abhi, what we are doing is, that part.
अभी वो आप गाओगे.
वो बाप का हो गया, ठीक है?
We'll
And then
incorporate you in the song.
We'll put auto tune and like all those effects to make it
बहुत
sound
मस्त
good.
साउंड करेगा.
I am regretting
But-
this challenge.
But okay, yeah, Risha, tell her how.
आपको फेवरेट पार्ट कौन सा है आपका गाने का?
घूमे नजारे.
लवली. यही पार्ट यही मेलोडी है. अब आप इसमें से वर्ड्स हटा दो. मतलब लेटर्स हटा दो. ठीक है तो क्या बनेगा? गाओ एक बार.
चल गया मैं स्कूल में आ गई.
ठीक है इसमें से टाड़ा भी हटा दो. करो तो प्लीज फॉलो थ्रू. हाँ
Now make it more screechy.
अब हाँ नहीं ठीक नहीं. अब बस अपने लिप्स थोड़े बंद कर दो आप.
Yes, that is it. That is it. You got
Record करो,
that.
Can I join your band?
Yes.
Ready?
इसका नाम बोलना था नहीं बोल पाया.
Take, okay.
Ready, guys,
160 go. ठीक है.
It's good. But आप हंस दिए.
एक और टेक लेके देखते हैं.
Okay.
Well, that's why I'm not a singer, and this is my chosen career.
Okay, let's do it again, huh?
हाँ बस है. अच्छा इस बार हंसना नहीं है. हो जाएगा? नो हंसी.
I will try.
एंड
तो चालू कर दिया.
टीनी में से डी हटा दो. कम ऑन.
Okay, we can do this. Come on,
Ready.
come on, Tiny. We can do this. We can do this now. Can we?
इंशाल्लाह. चलो.
Can we?
1,
Let's go.
2, 3.
You can hear the music? Yeah?
Okay, good. I think we've got it.
You got it. I don't
Was I
think so.
supposed to do the trrrr?
Let's see what you
Just
got.
have to hold it.
Release on Spotify. ये तुम्हारा है.
नाइस वन यार.
और कुछ
Good.
कुछ एक्सट्रीम
effort.
इफेक्ट डाल सकते हैं.
अच्छा एक बार वो गा दो आप. एक पल समझने में गा दो.
हाँ.
एक पल से
आई थिंक ये बेटर गा रही थी.
नहीं मुझे शर्म आती है.
एक बार गाओ.
मुझे देख के मुझे शर्म
अरे नहीं समझने में दो पल की थे.
शर्म आती है. तुम गाते हो मैं कैसे गाऊं?
अच्छा नहीं बस ठीक है.
I think
मेरा show है, guys.
we're done.
एक पल समझ नहीं. Okay. Anyway, I think it was a great session, but now that we have shown the breakdown of the song, it is time to actually play the real song, which is Dil Behra by Khosla Raghu.
Let's go.
Let's go.
एक पल समझने में 2 पल की देरी हुई है, उस पल में सब हो गया। यार उन्हें कहा ये शक है बड़ा कमीना, मैंने ना की थी परवाह। घूमे नजारे नजरों के आगे, मैं ठहरा रहा, सुनता नहीं है ऊंची पुकारे, ये दिल बहरा हुआ। कोई गिन के बताए मेरी सारी खताएं हैं, उनकी क्या सजाएं, ये कसर भी रह ना जाए। फिर तो ये आलम है कि कोई भी आए जाए, अब हमको ना सताए, जो भी होना है हो जाए।
हर दिन ख्यालों में, पूजा सवालों में, ना 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 ना।
ओ हेलो मैम, गाने में अकॉस्टिक गिटार है ही नहीं।
अरे पर मतलब मैं गा तो सकती हूँ ऐसा।
वैसे तो गाने में आप भी नहीं हो।
अरे लेकिन इधर आ, शो तो मेरा है। दिस इज खोसला रघु, आई एम तारनी शाह, you're watching Disrupt Department and we'll see you soon. Bye.